man, okay, so red, triangle, red, blue X, yellow circle, magenta star. Okay, alright, let's see if I can get this done here. Okay, hopefully no one's trying to, hopefully the imposter's not around here. Okay. What's that noise? I heard something. Let's get this done quickly here. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fun Eye TV. I'm JB Dean, and I just got killed in Among Us with a knife. The imposter found me trying to figure out the wires, and I really got killed really good in the back with the knife. But today I'm actually going to be showing you how to make the Among Us knife that the imposter uses in the game. There's different ways that you can get killed in Among Us. You can get killed with a gun. You can get killed with a knife, just like I did. You can get killed with big hands, and you can also get killed with the imposter opening its mouth really wide and having like a spear tongue coming out at you. I've gotten killed many ways in the game of Among Us, and today I'm going to show you how to make the knife from the game Among Us that the imposter uses. And here it is. If you like that video, then you should subscribe to my channel here at Fun TV, because we have lots of other Among Us videos as well on there. I also have one Among Us video that you'd probably like if you like this one. It's where you make the Among Us gun out of paper, and it's really easy to make. I had lots of fun doing this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and we'll have lots more fun for you in the future. All right, bye-bye.